Welcome back, Dashers. My name is the Dashing Trader, and on this channel, we help you maximize using gig apps like Doordash, Ubereats, Grubhub, and Instacart. And today, we want to see which is better, Uber or Doordash. We're going to be going out for 2 hours, hitting it hard, accepting only the best orders, and we're going to see which app provides us with the most money and the best offers. So let's get it done. Alrighty, good morning, y'all. We're gonna start it off with this little 575 going to Slim Chickens. It's only going 2 miles up the road, but I like it because, you know, at this time of day, they already got the kitchen rolling and it's a possibility for a stack. So we're gonna head to Slim Chickens and pick this one up. Alrighty, got that one completed. Now let's see. That order was ready. It wasn't $6. I feel like the base pay on this one was probably $2.75 with a $3 tip. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, $2.75 with a $3 tip. So I can pretty much tell like how many times the order been declined based off of how much the order is, how far away it is, how long it's been sitting there. You can even look at the time on the receipt sometimes and see when was it placed, when was it supposed to be ready. So you can get a good estimation of how much the base pay is. My GoPro battery wanted to die on me, but I got it replaced. We got our next order to finish off this first hour. We got $7.50 for 7 miles. Not the miles to money ratio I like, but my dash is about to end literally in 2 minutes. So I wanted to make sure I grab something to keep me going. And then once I'm done dropping this off, it's probably gonna open back up again for me to dash again. So we looking good. Once I get this order dropped off, you know, not even counting if it's hidden tips, we're gonna be looking at about 25 bucks an hour. So that's not bad for a first hour. And I had a little hiccup. I had to use the bathroom, but we all good though. So we got that one dropped off, $7.50 what was shown. Let's see what we got. My dash is ending after this one, so it don't matter. Okay, $7.50, $5 tip, I'm cool with that. So why is my dash not ending? There we go, in that, and now we'll get back in. So we made 26 bucks in that first hour. Not bad. So we starting the second hour and Uber Eats is coming through. They coming through with a banger. We got $13, y'all, for 3 miles. And then I checked back in. They sent me an add-on, an additional 13 bucks for an additional 3 miles. So now we looking at 26 bucks for about 6 miles. Let's go. I'm gonna check back with the totals. Just made it to my first pickup on this Uber Eats stack. Let's see if it's ready.
2 hours later.
It look like we dirty multi-apping today. I just got $6.50 for 1 mile. You know I'm about to knock that out. Let's go. It's shaping up to be a good hour. $5.50 for an additional, what's that? 2.8 miles? Well, guess what? I'm already going that way, so I'm gonna do it. Let's see what we get for this one. $6.50, we stayed $6.50, that's fine. On to the next one. Looks like we're gonna have some fun finding the apartment building on this one. Whoa, what the hell is that? Got all 4 of those orders dropped off, and we did it in 1 hour and 10 minutes. 26 bucks combined on those Uber orders, and then $6.50 and $5.50 on the DoorDash side. So man, we looking at 12 bucks added on to 26 bucks. That's 38 bucks without any hidden tips for that 1 hour. Let's go. That's how you dirty multi-app right there. I don't even want to call it dirty because everything was going the same direction. So it was just like the perfect scenario for 2 high pay Uber orders and 2 okay DoorDash orders, but still almost 40 bucks for 1 hour. Let's go. Yes sir. So only 2 hours of work, and on DoorDash we checking in, we got 13.25 and 12, so that makes 25.25 for 2 hours on DoorDash. Alrighty, and on Uber we got 24.06 and 14.75. So all together we got 24.06 plus 14.75 on Uber, plus the 25.25 we made on DoorDash, for a total of $64.06 for 2 hours of work. Not bad. Alrighty, so there you have it. 38 bucks, almost 39 on Uber, and 25 on DoorDash. So for this one, I would have to say Uber Eats won. Uber Eats had the better paying orders with the shorter delivery distance and the base pay on those orders was just simply higher. Now, I will add that DoorDash does have the order market like on lock in my area, but even with them sending you 20 to 30 orders, the orders that you do get on Uber are much better value. So I would have to say Uber Eats for the win on this one. If you enjoying these videos and you found any value and it helped you make a decision on the orders you should take, make sure to leave me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.